Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito ulit yung Sushi Noodle Challenge.
That truth remains for the Walmart. 'Cause in either case, they say to me, what the fuck is lost in aisle 3? Every other day I'm wondering, what's a human being gotta be like? What's a way to just be competent? These certain instincts
Parang white
my life.
kasi sinabi,
Every
alam ko,
other day
lagi mo
I'm
lang
wondering,
nakukulok na white.
was it a mistake to try and define what I'm certain's mad incompetence? These sweet instincts ruin my life.
Wait lang, King. Gagawa mo lang ako ng ano. Pamilya? Hindi ng video. Mag-hi ka sa video muna. Gawaan niya ba muna? Yes. Hi. Open mo, please. Guys. Balik ko na sa box. Where the mystery dumpling challenge. Bye everybody.